goggles? Do you have a...
I have. Okay, now we have our bike. Let's go and explore. Oh wow. So many people are just sitting next to the main road and just chilling and, you know, relaxing. I have just one here. How much? Maybe
1 bar,
no, like three more bars.
3 bars.
How much?
Be 100 pesos.
Okay. Hello. Okay. Okay. The nice guy helped me here because
Red.
Oh, almost got the wrong one. Oh. Okay.
Red.
Almost got the wrong. There you go.
Red. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Check. Okay.
I come back. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Okay, let's go. Let's continue. Now we have some gas. Let's go. Hello. Hello. So little. And his brother. Come. Yeah, come. Thank you. And this one. Do I need to show this there?
No.
Ah, okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Look at this. Let's go do some snorkeling in this beautiful water. Yeah.
If you don't have mask or goggles, do you have a...
I have.
You have already.
Yeah.
So you need not take this one, the jacket, fence.
So here are the prices if you're interested in doing some snorkeling. Let's see. So name and nationality.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right, let's change and then let's see if we can see some fishes and so on. Okay, not there. Here? Oh, okay, no. All right.
How many are followers?
200. I just new. Yeah.
200 followers?
Yeah.
Oh, God, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's your name?
Jig.
Huh?
Jake.
Jake. Okay.
Yes. And,
Maybe I take. It will be fun. Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course.
Tutugan mo rin sa Nori.
But it takes time to make the video, and you know, internet here is not so good, you know.
Yes,
So
yes,
it's
yes.
slow. It's slow.
Slowly. Yeah. But how about you?
Me? How old?
Yes.
What do you think?
I think 30?
Oh, thank you. Wow. I'm
30?
40.
40? Oh,
Very old.
But you look like a 30.
Thank you. Look, very nice guy. No. Many people tell me like 30, 35.
Yeah. I will give you a free goggles.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you take me a video. And you can.
Okay. Yeah, because these ones they're shit. I don't like this.
So that's why I can take to you.
Okay, very nice. Very nice. Feels like I'm inside of a cave.